Paul McConnell from the Doctor Lawyer team. Mesothelioma is a rare cancer caused by exposure to asbestos. There's about 3,500 patients diagnosed with mesothelioma every year in the USA. Of those 3,500, about 30% are veterans of the armed services, most commonly Navy veterans who are exposed to asbestos at Navy shipyards and/or in boiler rooms. Civilian and military victims alike may pursue compensation via one or more asbestos trust funds. That is, many companies that manufactured or used asbestos products are no longer in existence, but they were forced to establish bankruptcy trust funds. These funds are used to compensate those who develop mesothelioma. You can usually get money from these trust funds fairly quickly. However, it's important to have an experienced attorney assist you in order to identify what trust funds to pursue. For example, we've had cases where a client was able to receive compensation from 10 or 12 different trust funds. We also have clients that were able to get compensation from up to 20 different trust funds. Civilians and military victims alike can sometimes pursue claims in litigation if a company that manufactured or used asbestos is still in business. Oftentimes, the company that existed 40 or more years ago has undergone changes in ownership, yet is still a viable target. Again, it's important to have an experienced attorney to assist in developing your case based on your biography and background. If and when a viable target is identified, it's not uncommon to settle a case or try it to verdict wherein the additional compensation is over $1 million, or sometimes that figure is $2 or $3 and even $4 million. It's important for all victims to know that in 1988, a letter was discovered that revealed that the manufacturers of asbestos products knew about the profound health risks as far back as World War II, and they suppressed that knowledge, thereby causing hundreds and hundreds of thousands of additional victims unnecessarily. Veterans with mesothelioma may be eligible to receive additional compensation and benefits if they were exposed to asbestos while in the military. These benefits may include VA disability, which presently can be approximately $3,200 to $3,500 a month depending on marital status, survivor benefits, pensions in some cases, veteran organizations that are devoted to helping veterans free of charge to find care, counseling, or to assist with disability claims, funeral expenses in some cases, for when that day comes, as it does for all of us, that you're called home. Travel, lodging, and treatment at one or more of the leading VA mesothelioma hospitals that we discussed in another video is also possible. The main reason we ventured into this practice area is because that we discovered that many lawyers and law firms don't go the extra mile for their clients in this practice area. They operate like a mill, where volume is more important than individual treatment and maximizing results. Whether you are a civilian or a Navy veteran, we'll help ensure that you're taken care of. Call us to discuss your case and your strategy.